What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Limitless V8. What I'm doing today, I'm gonna do a nice little speed run. Do this one-handed because this is squirrely though, but I'm gonna try. I'm going to try. This is not big enough for this car. It's really not. It's really not. I only can get up to full throttle for like a second. That's just why I don't do speed runs. I thought this was big enough, but it's really not. All right. See, 62 miles an hour, and I wasn't even nowhere near doing anything. I'm had to go on a diagonal. I gotta avoid these poles, like. Going right for the pole. Yo. Yeah, this is harder than it looks. Especially pulling them kind of speeds one-handed. All right, let me check them speeds real quick. $66. 66. That is gonna be so short. I didn't switch locations yet, but I'm about to. Yeah, that is not long enough. All right, let me see if I at least got 70 on this little strip right here. And of course I didn't start recording. I didn't record that. But still, it wasn't too much of nothing, so definitely switch locations. Be right back. All right, this should be a little better off. Hold on, let me make sure I'm tracking that speed. Hold on, let me fix that steering real quickly, right back. Could have went down further, but all right, let me check that speed. 72. Oh, I was afraid that was going to happen. Hit that dip. Don't know what that black thing was. Oh, shoot. All right, just in case something is missing here. All right, that came off. Popped the light. Lights didn't work anyway. I don't know if this is a piece of something. But let's go. Don't look that bad. Yeah. Let's see if Nas still in there. Battery popped out. Kind of figured that's what the problem was. Still in business. The wing is broke. Arms is fine. Everything fine. Didn't even build up heat yet. Yeah, that was 71 miles an hour. Thought I was recording when I did all that, but it was 71 miles an hour. Car is still fine. Which is gonna be kinda hard. Yeah, that's kinda hard right there. And my finger slipped right off. Yeah, I'm not getting nothing. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Cause I am running on 6S. I thought with 6S I would at least hit like almost 100, but I guess not. Oh my goodness, I didn't even track that. All right, now I'm tracking. I need a wider space. And I don't got a gyro in there either. That's another thing. Messed up my roof. Jesus Christ. All right, let me check that speed, man. Come on, kick in. All right. Stop. Oh, there we go. Well, I seen a 70 miles an hour. What the heck is wrong with this thing? Hold on, let me restart this. But it says 70 miles an hour. But hold on, I'll be right back. Yeah, that was 68 miles an hour, just in case I didn't catch that part. Yeah, I'm not gonna bash around with this. This is strictly my speed car. Yeah, but only 6S. It was only got up to mid 70s on 6S. That was all my fault why I had the crashes, because I should have had my headpiece. Still made out pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. More coming soon with the Limitless, the V2. I'm gonna change the motor out, the XL2 motor. I mean the XL ESC is fine. It's just the motor I gotta do something with. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.